If you don't know what the Danish Gambit is, you haven't experienced fun in chess yet. And I used to play this all the time until I started losing all of my games when I started getting better. So let me just teach you right quick so that you can go through the same process. E4, E5, D4, gambiting off the D pawn, and then black takes the D pawn. If they want to, of course, they can decline it whatever they want. And then instead of taking it back, you play C3. Black captures the C3 pawn. And then instead of taking it back with the knight, which would be a whole different gambit that we're not talking about, we're going to go bishop c4. And they dare take the b2 pawn, which the computer saying black is still winning. Bishop takes b2. And you got these powerful bishops. You got this knight going to f3, castling kingside, knight going to c3 or d2, queen going to b3. And then you're going to just see your opponent suffer how to get away from all of white's threats that they got going on right now.